Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let us learn a Python program to print prime numbers up to n. So let's get started. So let me take a variable n and use the input function call to ask a user to enter a number. So let's say enter value of n. So this will generally be 100. So let us try to ask a user and convert it into an integer type. So if the user enters 100, so it will be stored in this variable. So now once we are done value, that is getting the value of n, so now we have to print the prime numbers. So before printing the prime numbers, so let us try to print the user friendly message. So let's use a print and let's use a string formatting. Let's say prime numbers up to, let's give n, or let's give dot dot dot. So this is just a user friendly message. Now let us try to, that is try to get the prime numbers up to n. So let us try to use the for loop and try to get the numerator and denominator. So x is the numerator. So we are trying to get all the numbers below it. So let's say if n value is 100, so we are trying to get all the values below 100 and try to divide it. So if it is divisible, so then what we do is that is not a prime number. So else what we do, it is a prime number. So we just print it. So for x in, so let's take range from 2 because the prime number starts from 2 and it ends up to n. Yeah, so once we get the numerator, so let's take denominator for y in, that is range from 2 to the value of x. That is the numbers below it cannot divide the given value n. So if it divides, so then we consider it as non-prime number. So let's take if x modulus y is equals to 0. So then we break the loop. Else, so we'll be taking the for loop for this, that is else block for this particular given y value. So that is numbers below it. So if none of the numbers are divisible, so let's try to print the value of x comma end equals to comma. Yeah, so we are trying to print all the values that are non-divisible by the numbers below it. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program to print prime numbers up to n. So let me run this and let me show you how it works. Running the program, so enter the value of n. So let's give 100. So you can see prime numbers up to 100 are, so these are the prime numbers below it. So now let's try to give 1000. So you can see prime numbers up to 1000 are, so these values. Yeah, so this is a program to print prime numbers up to n where n value is 100.